Hello all, welcome. Today we are going to see basic Linux commands. For this, we will use Amazon Linux machine. So let's connect to your Amazon Linux machine using PuTTY. If you don't know how to connect Amazon EC2 instance using PuTTY, then please watch my another video. I will copy the link in the description box. So let's connect to your Amazon machine. We'll see first command is as Whoami. Whoami will print the current username. Our next command is pwd. pwd stands for print working directory. So our working directory and username is the same, like EC2 working user. Our next command is ls. ls stands for listing. It will give the contents of the folder. So in this case, we have one file named test. Our next command is cp. Copy command will copy the content of the source file to destination file. So let's copy contents of test file to the test2 file. So if file is not there present, it will create a file. So let's see. Now we have test2 file. Our next command is cat command. Cat command will print content of file to the standard output. So let's print content of test file. We can also copy content of standard output to the file. So syntax is cat greater than file name test4, press enter and type command. To exit, press enter and Ctrl+D. So it will save the content. So test4 file. Let's see if file is created. To see the content of test4 file, use cat space test4. Our next command is clear command. Clear command will clear the screen. Our next command is mkdir. Mkdir stands for make directory. It will create a directory in the current folder or the path specified. So if no path is specified, it will create a folder, the default folder. So let's see if the folder is created. Our next command is cd. cd stands for change directory. It is used to navigate from one directory to the other. So cd, and let's move to the newly created directory, new directory. See content. Let's copy some file from previous folder. Dot -, test and test5. So it will copy test file from EC2-user to the current directory. Let's see if the file is copied. Yes, now file is copied. The next option with the cd command is cd dot dot. It will take you to your previous folder or one level up. Okay. So cd dot dot will take you the EC2-user. One more option with the cd command is okay, but before that, let's first move to the etc folder. Cd hyphen etc. So it will take you the etc folder. Okay, and suppose we are moving, we are going to some other folder from here, cd opt, and now if you want to go back to your home folder, then instead of typing cd slash home slash ec2 hyphen user, you can use cd tilde. It will take you to your home directory. Okay, our next command is rm stands for remove. It will remove file from the current directory. So syntax is rm and file name test2. It will remove the file. Let's see if the file is removed. Right? Now the test2 file is removed. Our next command is rmdir. Rmdir will remove the empty directory from the file system. So let's try to remove rmdir and space new directory. It's a directory name. As directory is not empty, it throws an error, failed to remove new directory because directory is not empty. To remove the directory and its content, we can use rm-r and new directory. So it will remove directories and subdirectories. Okay. Yes, now the directory is removed. Our next command is, for that first move to etc. Okay. Our next command is head command. Head command will print the top n lines from the file system. So syntax is head hyphen 5 or 4 in the file name. So it will print first 4 lines from the file. Our next command is tail command. Tail command is similar to the head command, but tail command will print last n lines from the file. So syntax is tail hyphen n, in this case tail hyphen 5 and the file name. So it will print last 5 lines from the file. Our next command is grep command. Grep command is used to find a particular text in the file. The syntax is grep in quote text and the file name. Let's clear the screen. Our next command is man. Man is a manual page command. It will give the tutorial about the particular command. The syntax is man and the command name which you want to get help. So man cp will print help about the copy command. To exit, we can press Q. Our next command is div command. Div command will give the differences between two files. Syntax is div source file and destination file. So it will give the differences between two files. Our next command is cmp command. cmp command will compare two files. Syntax is cmp test and test2. So these were some basic commands in Linux. Hope you learned something new today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.